Well, the wait is over. About a month from now, the state of Michigan says everyone over 16 will be eligible to get a COVID-19 vaccine, and the state says people 16 to 49 with pre-existing conditions will become eligible in less than 2 weeks. News 8's Whitney Burney joins us now live from the West Michigan Vaccine Clinic with the ways they're preparing for the surge in patients. Whitney.
So healthcare workers say this is something that they've been working towards since we first learned that there was a viable vaccine back in December. Just yesterday, the healthcare team here at DeVos Place say that they were able to inoculate 8,000 people in a single day, which is a record across our state. They say once all adults become eligible in a few weeks, they're hoping to make that 20,000 people per day. Vaccines are set to roll in large numbers as the state ramps up their effort to inoculate Michiganders.
We're expecting that the federal government is going to make even more vaccine available very quickly. The pharmaceutical companies are doing a great job in increasing production. So every bit of intel that we have says that the next couple of months, April and May, are really going to be dramatic in seeing an increase of vaccine available to us.
Just a day after President Biden announced a goal of herd immunity by summer, the state announced people ages 16 to 49 will be eligible for a COVID-19 vaccine on March 22nd. 2 weeks after that, everyone over 16 will become eligible, a moment the county says couldn't have come at a better time.
We are seeing statewide an increase in cases, an increase in hospitalizations, an increase in ICU, an increase in our positivity rate. So there is the possibility for a spring resurgence. We know the variants are out there.
We see the end in sight. We just need to make sure that we don't see an increase.
Chad Tuttle with Spectrum Health says the West Michigan Vaccine Clinic at DeVos Place is more than prepared to inoculate 20,000 people per day. They will also continue administering vaccines at smaller clinics throughout the county. They say they just need the doses. The county is asking people to begin signing up now to ensure a smooth process in April. And they say people who are already waiting, don't worry, they haven't forgotten about you.
We ask people to complete the registration accurately, and when they do that, we will know which category they fall into. When we schedule, we do invite people from each category for each clinic, but we do overweight it to those higher risk categories.
Now, again, the county says it is critical that people start signing up for those vaccine slots and appointments as soon as possible. They say they have run into issues in the past where there weren't enough eligible people in line to get those appointments. For more information on how you can sign up, you can head to woodtv.com right now. Live here in Grand Rapids, Whitney Burney, News 8.